this is Cindy from MAXIZM company. We are a professional exporting construction machinery with 40 years experience. Now we are arrived at Qingdao Port. Today, let me share one XCMG Crawler excavator with you. About XCMG brand, it ranks first in the China construction machinery and third in the world. This is today's leading road XE135B excavator. It is equipped with 30,000 kilograms operating weight. The bucket capacity is 0.52 cubic meters, and there are also other optional attachments such as hammer, gripper, and so on, which can meet different working conditions. Let's see the engine. It is equipped with ISUZU engine. The rated power is 72.7 kilowatts. The main pump is DOOSAN brand and the main oil is Parker brand. Based on the original imported engine and advanced energy efficient hydraulic system, the machine's quality is well guaranteed and also with strong power, low noise, and low oil consumption. It's your reliable partner. Hi, let's have a look at the cabin now. It has wide vision, pilot control, air conditioner, and a complete decoration which can provide a comfortable operating environment. With the excavator, we also have well-loaded motor grader, road roller, bulldozer, crane, truck, forklift, and tractor, and so on. We also have cooperated more than 140 countries. If you have any interest, contact us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.